A coalition of BC leaders are calling on the provincial and federal governments to take action on mental health and addictions issues, saying the current system is broken.
While each of us face unique challenges within our own communities across BC, one thing has become abundantly clear. Public safety, mental health, and addiction are issues that affect all of us.
Speaking outside Vancouver City Hall on Monday alongside other mayors and leaders, Vancouver Mayor Ken Sim said the group is calling on the federal government to provide legal and financial support to provinces implementing mandatory care for people with mental health and addictions issues.
Why is it okay that we allow individuals with severe mental health challenges or addiction issues direct their own care and suffer on our streets? It's not compassion. It's not compassionate. Like I said, that's actually neglect.
The group is also calling on the federal government to come up with a plan to secure ports to prevent illicit drugs from coming into the country, and it wants the provincial and federal governments to reform bail to keep repeat offenders off the streets.
We need to stop the revolving door of justice, the catch and release system that we sometimes see that allows repeat, violent, and chronic offenders to be released from custody when they are still a threat to our communities.
When asked about the demands, the Federal Mental Health and Addictions Ministry said in part that it announced funds to support communities in addressing urgent needs related to the toxic drug and overdose crisis, including substance use treatment. When it comes to bail reform, a spokesperson for the Minister of Justice and Attorney General of Canada said in part that changes have been made to the criminal code, and it's up to the provinces and territories to enforce the law, which it says falls within their sphere of jurisdiction.
Let's not make this political. We are all in this together. This is not a right versus left. This is not based on ideology. We have a serious crisis going on, and we need to collaborate. All levels of government, all different political stripes.
The call to action was made a day after BC's Premier announced that if re-elected, his government will provide involuntary care for people with addiction and mental health issues. It's a similar promise previously made by the BC Conservatives. In Vancouver, Monika Gul, City News.